Greetings, everyone. Now, the current pandemic COVID 19 has hit the universe very hard. It had a huge impact in people's life and in business too. The most critical part of the business it had huge impact on was on employment. So many people have lost their job. What it used to be in life before the COVID started, that was say in middle of 2019, to what it was last year in 2020, to what it is continuing to be in 2021, we can still see the traces of impact, which is huge. So many people have lost their job with this COVID wave. I was among one of them as well. I lost my job in 2020 August, and from Dubai I had come back to India. Life during the employment was totally different. I was thankfully working for a very big and the best MNC in the world. I didn't have to worry about any of my needs because every month I was getting regularly salary, food on my plate, and the bills were getting paid, and had expectations that every month or coming months I would get the salary too, which was happening. There was no problems, no issues with the life at all. But since I had to come back to India for past 9 months, things have changed, especially with the feeling that I have that I'm no longer working, the income has stopped. Now, where I used to worry about the job before, or my daily routine before between work and home, now I have to worry about what to cook for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Thankfully, by God's grace, I have got food on my plate, I have got a roof on my head. But as a human, you feel disappointed. I'm feeling upset as well with the fact it keeps on coming and draining me, that I'm no longer having job, I'm no longer productive, the income has stopped coming. It is quite natural to feel that way. And I'm sure many people are feeling exactly what I'm feeling now. I want to reassure them. It is okay. Give yourself the time. Everybody adjusts or copes up with the stress very differently. Things are not going to change overnight. Since we are different, our coping capacity is also different. Give yourself a time. Accept the fact that you are in different part of life. Now, I'm sure you do get a reassurance from your family members, from your friends as well, which is a good thing to carry on. For me as well, I'm getting support from family, my friends, that it's going to be okay. But as human nature, things keep coming back. There is no income, no productivity. It is okay to feel that way. It is okay, in fact, for you to be not okay, to feel that you are not okay. You need to accept this fact. Now, one thing I have found quite beneficial at this point of time, when these thoughts are wearing you down, that you are no longer doing the job, is find something that makes you happy. For me, it has worked a lot. I'm not saying 100%, but it has worked a lot. I'm feeling a lot better what it used to be before and then what it used to be now. Find something that makes you happy right in the morning. Now, I have personally experienced this. Try to do something that makes me happy in the morning, and it gets carried on. When you're happy, you tend to reflect that on others. You make others happy as well, those who are around you. Now, this happiness will give you tremendous strength to carry on with your day-to-day activities, and will give you the strength to deal with any adversaries. Take care of your health. Do the things that makes you happy. Take care and stay safe. Bye-bye.